Whether it's thread grinding, OD, ID grinding, anything that we do, sometimes it's hidden inside helicopters or fighter jets, or sometimes it's inside rebuilt knees. Everything you see here was made from bar stock complete, in-house, as our capabilities are pretty broad spectrum and we can handle as little or as much as necessary. There's only a handful of people that are in our industry. What we do is an art form, for sure. No two pieces are the same. So anything can be ground. We deal from parts this small up to 120 inches. We do OD grinding up to 16-inch diameter and 84 inches long. Anything from a small part that you would find to make a light bulb base to a larger multi-start worm that's inside a gearbox.